Hi, hello all. Welcome to Data Cloud Technologies. Are you learning Power BI? Yes. If you are learning Power BI, then it is a joyful and playful activity. But learning Power BI with data analysis expression language, that is DAX, is very important. And using this DAX, it makes our job very easier to make calculations over columns, tables, and creating measures. So, in this video, I am going to explore you to the fundamentals of DAX. It is what is DAX meant for, and where this DAX is used, and how this DAX is used. So, in simple words, DAX is a data analysis expression language. You know that any expression contains an equal to sign in it. So, this DAX uses expressions for writing the different calculations over a table or a group of tables. And if you observe any statement of this DAX language, each statement contains an equal to sign in it. So we can say that this DAX uses formulas. In Power BI, DAX comes with lot of formulas, hundreds and thousands of formulas that are available. So using these formulas, that means choosing the right formula for the right kind of activity makes our job very easier in writing the expressions using DAX. This DAX comes with Microsoft Analytical products. So let us try to see what are the Microsoft Analytical products. So the popular products of DAX are Power BI and Excel Power Pivot. SQL Server Analytical Services with Tabular Edition uses DAX, and this DAX is used in Azure Analytical Service. What is DAX? Actually, this DAX is a combined version of TSQL, Excel formula, and C#. DAX combines the features of SQL Server and Microsoft formula and the programming language developed by Microsoft, which is popularly known as C#. DAX is a combination of TSQL statements and uses Microsoft formula and C# language for writing in general, this DAX expression is written as a calculation. So the calculation may be done over a table, or it may be done on a column, or you can calculate some kind of measures over a table or a column. The main advantage of this DAX is it can be used as a row level security. That means you can restrict access to the rows depending upon the user priorities. So this is what one of the biggest advantage. And moreover, as this DAX is combination of TSQL statements, so it can be used as a query language. So that means querying a database table or querying a table makes very easy with this DAX, and this DAX is used for referencing the objects. You suppose that there exists a scenario in which you need to refer a table. So for that purpose, we can make use of these DAX expressions, and with a single statement, we can refer n kind of or n number of tables. Not only the tables, we can refer the columns also using DAX expression language. For example, I need to create a new column with the name column, and I had a table DAM employee. In this DAM employee, I had a column called first name. So I want to create a new column in DAM employee table that refers to the column first name. Then it is very simple for creating a column or adding a new column to the existing table using DAX expression language. Here, the column name equal to the table and the field name. So this creates a new column added to the table name. Here the table name that we have chosen is DAM, and the new column contains the data that was present in DAM employee first. This DAX uses operators like arithmetic, comparison, text concatenation, and logical and many more. Using this DAX language, you can create variables as, where, when required in your business analysis services. And this DAX comes with, that means when you're using the DAX language, you can add a single line comment or multi-line comments. For adding a single line comments, we use two forward slashes, whereas to add a multi-line comment, this comment is to be included forward slash star and star forward slash. That means wherever it is required to include the comment, there you can include. The most advantage with this DAX is that it contains vast number of functions. So whenever it is required for us to work with functions that based on date and time, especially in generating the reports, we feel a difficulty and embarrassing situations while using the date and time functions. So this DAX comes with date and time functions, text manipulation functions, and relation manipulation functions, filter functions, and table manipulation functions. That means by using these functions, we can make any kind of manipulations to an existing table. One of the advantages with this DAX editor in Power BI is that it follows a color code. That means it follows a specific color for a specific keyword or a specific word that we use in our expression. The variables will appear in light green. That means whenever you define a variable in your DAX expression, so this variable will appear in light green color and the comments will appear in green color. It means if you define the comment, then by observing the color of the line in that expression, you can easily identify that this line contains comments in it. And whenever we create a measure, so these measures are visible in purple, and as I told that this DAX contains several keywords and functions. So all these functions and these keywords that we use in the DAX expression will appear in blue color. And if any text values are used in the expression, these text values are appear in red color. Table names, column names, literals, and operators will appear in blue color. That means by identifying the color, you can observe that what this word belongs to. In simple words, you can say that DAX is a data expression language that is especially used in Power BI. So in simple words, I can say that DAX is a language, data expression language used for calculations in Power BI, Microsoft Power Pivot, and Microsoft Analytical Services. So I hope with this I have given all the necessary inputs to understand what is DAX, the data expression language. Keep in touch with my channel so that I'm going to upload a series of videos on DAX with the heading Playing with DAX. That means I will give you the simple scenarios, examples, and tutorials using which how to play with this DAX expressions. So to get a quick notification, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. If you like the video, do not forget to give a thumbs up for my video. Let us meet in another video with another interesting concept on DAX calculations. Until then, bye-bye.